Zimbabwe's Justice Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi is returned from a secret trip to Kenya for talks with exiled academic Jonathan Moyo after abruptly escaping a United Nations meeting in Switzerland as the government pushes contentious constitutional changes that would extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule to 2030. Dzalapinda mashoko nokokunzi vana Ziyambi Ziyambi aiwa panguva ino votoskipa meetings anenge ainawo eUnited Nations nawo vachifambira nawo dzekuamenda the constitution panguva ino panoonekwa kunzi they are not satisfying or giving citizens reasons why they want to amend the bill without referendum. Not subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina msim breaking all udanyura chiti. Justice Minister Ziyambi Ziyambi abruptly abandoned Zimbabwe's delegation at the 61st session of the United Nations Human Rights Council in Geneva for a secret dash to Kenya, returning to Harare yesterday as the government navigates a crucial 90-day public consultation period on the draft law. According to a leaked itinerary, Ziyambi flew out of Robert Gabriel Mugabe International Airport on a Kenya Airways Boeing 737 landing at Jomo Kenyatta International Airport on Friday evening. After a delayed return, he touched down in Harare at 1:05 p.m. yesterday. The clandestine nature of the visit has fueled intense speculation, with online commentators alleging the minister hailed government minister who fled Zimbabwe in 2017 following the military coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. Normal developments aripo muri Zimbabwe uchinokwanisa ayo vana Ziyambi panguva ino they are in 6s and 7s panguva ino vachizama kuda kuti vaise the house in order vakwanise kuamenda the constitution. Panguva ino kuchinokwa kunzi vana Ziyambi panguva ino the situation yavari it is very tense. They want to please their boss. Panguva ino they are doing whatsoever it can cost them kuti vakwanise kuita kuti mutungamiri wenyika awane the 2030 plan. Pinako section medu dzafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.